Hey Trotters, it's your boy Floyd, back today with a new review of RIU Ocho Rios. RIU was renovated last year and this video was shot in December, so if you see anything Christmassy, yes. Now, if you've never been to RIU, the property will look new, and if you've been to RIU, the property will still look new because it looks different. So let's just watch that video, come back and do a quick wrap up, and I'll just give you my 2 cents on what I observed.
Okay. Ready? Here we go. Strictly. Brody. Here we go. Shake it.
And there you have it. That's the property. Hope you enjoyed that little video. Now let's jump right into the review. First up, the property. I'm going to give it an 8. I enjoyed the new look, the renovations. It looked clean, the place looked white. They got rid of the lilac, which I did not like. Everything looked new and shiny. They have whole heap of pool. They have water slides for kids. It just looked a lot better. It looks modern. It does not look dated. But the only disadvantage, the major disadvantage, was that the fact that they did the renovation, they removed the nightclub. Now, in that video, you saw that persons were outside in an area dancing. That is where they set up for the entertainment, you know, the grown-up stuff. They have bars and that kind of stuff. However, it lock off by 12 o'clock. With the club, it usually runs up until 2. Why they have to lock off 12? Because it is close to the rooms and people need them beauty nap. So yeah, that was the only downside, but outside of that, the property was cool. Next one, the food. I'm going to give it a 6. Why? It was salty, at least to me. This is my review, my experience on the days that I went. Now, when I've been to other properties, the food usually bland. I have the option of adding salt. At RIU, I never got that option. But outside of that, they have a wide variety of food, pastries, you name it, knock yourself out. But again, my experience, the food was just salty and it might not be the same for you. So let's just jump to the next review. Customer service, I'm going to give it a 6. It's definitely not service from the heart. It definitely meets your expectations, but did not exceed it. The room, I will give it an 8. I got the ocean view. Yeah, the ocean view. And I never showed it outside because the ocean was like, right? Like, you couldn't really see it, but it was ocean view. The room felt modern. It was no longer dated. It's not what I am used to at RIU. The bed, comfortable. The toilet work, the shower work. I mean, it did work when I used to be there. I'm just telling you because it knew everything works. And last but by no means least, the entertainment. I'm going to give it a 10. RIU is known for their entertainment, one of the best that you can experience at any property in Jamaica at least. That is a fact. For adults and kids, I'm not a party goer per se, but on the night that I was there, at least one of those nights, I went to the all-white party and it fell off. And that was it. Hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I did. Hope you have a great day wherever you are in this world, a great evening, a great morning, a great rest of the week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the notification bell, as well as big up to all the children that did PEP. That's an examination that we do in Jamaica for kids transitioning from primary to the high school level. It was a very difficult period, and I'm sure that you did the best that you could under the circumstances. As well as to my son, you did exceptionally well. Big up yourself. Now with that said guys, I'm gone. Little more, keep safe, and don't forget to keep trotting. Little more.